Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build a document request app with Dropbox Sign, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox Sign website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once signed in, locate the API section in the dashboard. Generate an API key for your application. Copy the API key and store it safely for later use. Next, set up your development environment. Choose a programming language you are comfortable with, such as Python or JavaScript. Install the necessary libraries to interact with the Dropbox Sign API. Create a new project folder on your computer. Inside the project folder, create a new file for your code. Start by writing the basic structure of your application. Initiate an API request to create a document request. Define the endpoint for creating a document request in your code. Include the necessary parameters, such as the document template ID and recipient details. Make sure to handle errors in your code. Test the API request to ensure it works correctly. If successful, you should receive a JSON response from Dropbox Sign. Parse the JSON response to extract relevant information. Store this information in your application for future reference. Develop a user interface where users can input their document request details. Ensure the UI is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Link the UI to your backend code so that it can process requests. Test the entire application end-to-end. Make adjustments as necessary based on your testing results. Once satisfied, prepare the application for deployment. Choose a hosting service to make your application accessible online. Follow the steps provided by the hosting service to deploy your application. Monitor the performance and user feedback after deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.